Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your account on ClickUp. So first things first, log in into the account that you want to delete. Once you do that, we need to focus on the bottom left part of our screen. You have these two bubbles. One is of the workspace, second one's yours. So let's click there. There can be also like your logo of your company or initials. And here we want to go to My Settings, which is underneath your name and your account. We'll get in here, and what we want to do is just scroll down into the delete account option. We're gonna click on delete account, and please take a moment to review that will happen. Account is deleted is this action is permanent and not reversible. All you have to do is write down your password and confirm it. Obviously, I don't really want to get rid of my account just yet, but believe me, this is the last step that you have to take before you successfully delete the account. So just like this, hit confirm and your account will be deleted. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.